Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a new filming location. I've set up a new office for myself, and in doing so I'm doing some office DIYs, and I wanted to share one with you. I'm doing a Dollar Tree dry erase board hack. Dollar Tree sells dry erase boards just $1, which is a great deal, but I wanted to upgrade it a little bit, make it look a little bit more special. So what I did was I took a picture frame and I made this. I think it looks so much nicer than it did before. This is the next in my series of Dollar Tree DIYs where I take glass items from the Dollar Tree and I upgrade them into something for your home. I'm going to show you how I did this. I filmed it for you guys. It's totally simple. It's just 2 items. You don't even need glue. This could not be simpler. I hope you try it. Let's get started. Here are the 2 items I'm using, a dry erase board and a picture frame, both from the Dollar Tree. There are so many different types of photo frames that you can get. I like this copper one, and I already had it. I didn't even actually have to go purchase it. So I've unwrapped my dry erase board, and I'm pulling off the plastic pieces on the side. You have to use a little bit of force, but not much. It really comes off really easily. I'm doing it just with my hands, and there's no glue or anything left behind. Super simple. And then I'm going to pop the back out of the frame. I'm going to discard it. We're not going to use it. And I'm also going to take out the glass carefully and discard that. We're not using the glass. And then you just pop the dry erase portion right in like it was a picture. It fits perfectly without having to cut it. And then I'm going to pop the little backs. I'm using an 8x10 frame. It fits this dry erase board just perfectly. And there it is, hung on the wall. So cute and simple. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to try this. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can see more super simple DIYs. See you next time.